So good afternoon to all.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
So we have all gathered here for a design thinking based discussion on how to design a smart agriculture system using MQTT protocol. So we all know that the farmers are facing many issues like lack of internet connectivity, power constraints, and delay in data transmission and reception. So here we are going to discuss among yourself and give me a better solution to design a smart agriculture system by the activity called role play. Okay, so here we are going to apply design thinking concept. So we know design thinking is a way of problem solving where we consider each and every needs of the end user, and there are totally 5 stages. The stage 1 is empathy, define, ideate, prototype, and test. Okay. So here first Vishnu will demonstrate our activity of role play by telling the role of each and every one here. Yes.
In this role play, myself Vishnu are gonna explain about the empathy part. I am playing the farmer role, and Vishnu Priya, she will be doing the IoT network engineer. Empathy will be telling the define part, and Shobika will be doing the network engineer. Will be ideating, and Priyanka will be doing the data analyst, the prototype part, and Satish will be doing the product design.
As Vishnu told, the role of each and every one here will be, so Vishnu will be playing the role of farmer where the focus will be towards empathy part. Vishnu Priya will play the role of IoT engineer. Shobika will play the role of network engineer where she will talk about the communication protocol which we are going to use. And Priyanka will be talking about, will play the role of data analyst, and Satish will play the role of product design.
Okay, I'm the farmer. I'm here to empathize my problems while dealing with the MQTT protocols. Like in the rural areas, I have network connectivity issues, electricity issues, the data transmissions may lag. So like I find useful when I started to use MQTT protocol, like smart farming. But still, I have some, I'm facing some issues. Like, the data transmission was very slow, and internet connectivity is so poor in the rural. Like, as a farmer, I need an early alert system from the crops, like at what conditions, like what procedures must be done to them.
So I am an IoT engineer. I am the main technical person in this case who plays the major device like sensors, networks and clouds. So here we are collect the information that we get from the farmer. So we need to give the solutions for them. So the main responsibility is to connect the sensors, and we need to approach the sensors which actually acts in the correct form. Then we need to choose the correct communication protocol, that is MQTT. So the farmer needs less amount of power. So we use MQTT protocol because it is a less voltage power supply.
So next is network engineer. So my focus on which is the MQTT which is lightweight protocol, which we communicate a device between device and the IoT system, which MQTT is a message queuing telemetry protocol, which is used to transmit messages, and a sensor to a broker to a publish, where which act as a bridge. So we use agriculture for irrigation and systems, which is for a reliable and cost efficiency. MQTT, which is a lightweight protocol. So this is used to between a IoT system and a devices to communicate easily without error, so that we use this protocol.
Guys, in prototype phase as a data analyst, here we collect sensor data through MQTT and then convert it into useful insights for the useful informations for the farmers. And here after cleaning the data, we analyze the pattern, so we can use that to predict the irrigation needs in advance. And even without the proper internet, we can store the data and sync it later without any loss. And we can also study the past data to suggest the best watering time and to improve the crop yield. And finally, without using the complex graphics, we provide a simple alert to the farmers like water needed, optimal condition or high temperature, so that farmers can easily understand and they can take the actions.
So, my role is product designer. So, here I entirely focus on user experience. Farmers usually need to know like real-time data monitoring, the real-time alert. Late alerts will cause irrigation problems and all. So we need to prioritize like using simple visualization techniques and real-time data visualization things like bar charts, graphs and all.
So this, as per our discussion, so we have decided to make use of MQTT protocol to design an efficient smart agriculture system, where this type of protocol works based on publish subscribe model, and it is a lightweight protocol.